Hello and welcome to Amados Training Portal. My name is Ados Michael, aka the Online Ambassador. You are here because you want to become IT consultant and start providing solutions on web development to as many clients out there. Well, I get better news for you because you are not only in the right portal, but also you deal with the correct guy with Soji. One of the reasons why this cause the scatter market. Now, sake of say, I be like the latest artist wey just blow and I no want to carry last. Instead, I go break everything down so even you and you wey dey tire for those big English go relax because I dey use we own pidgin English complement the training so that it go enter your head wella. So that being said, let me introduce myself before we jump into the course introduction properly. I am a certified web developer, a cyber security expert, and an SEO expert, a digital marketing and a social media influencer, an ICT consultant, a content developer and a software developer, and the list goes on. I'm the CEO of so many companies under Amados. We are talking logistics and courier services, tech fame, web hosting, training institute, consultation services, and the list goes on. Thanks to my team and my partners who put in work and passion to make all this happen, and above all, God in heaven. Our IT firm operations and strategic planning is to provide adequate ICT services to all our clients, both within and outside the shore of this continent. In partnership with Brekete family and blissful thanks to the ordinary president, in just a few years, we have achieved amazing results in training over 10,000 plus students in becoming ICT consultant. The last 16 years, I have learned to help new startups find their footing in the ICT industries. Helping them make passive income in doing what they love to do is your turn to become an IT consultant if only you enroll for this course now. In this course, I will show you how you can build your own website from scratch to finish, and you can start making your own passive income even while you are asleep. You will master everything from WordPress and Elementor page builder, then own a beautiful and a successful website as you proceed. You don't have to lie, steal, or do other negative or illegal things online just because you want to make it. This course is for those who want to enjoy life with so much prestige, and the great thing is that when it comes to making money online, the sky is the limit. This training, it's very important for you to actually undergo it. Today, there are many reasons to make your own website, whether you want to build it for yourself or you are a beginner web developer who would like to build a website for others who will be coming definitely after this course, ringing, calling, chatting, asking you for you to help them proffer solution. Because as an IT consultant, there is nothing that you cannot do. This course will teach you from the bottom everything you will need to know about the WordPress platform, the Elementor page builder, the plugins, and everything in between. After completing this course, you will have a wide understanding and advanced knowledge regarding building and creating websites in general and in every aspect of it. People often assume that building a WordPress website is hard work and complicated. The truth is that it used to be that way, but not anymore. This course will teach you all the fundamentals of creating a successful, responsive WordPress website. Very easy without any coding. Yes, it is possible. It is all drag and drop page builder, and it cannot be easier than what I will show you. This is the only course that will allow you to use any theme that you would like. You are not obligated to use a specific theme. Any theme you want to use, any solution you want to create, This training will open your eyes to every tricks, every moves, everything that you need to do to actually make it possible. I have created this course with intention to cover every aspect of web development that will actually allow you to develop any kind of website of your choice. Whether you're a beginner, whether this is the first time you're testing the water, whether you've been doing it before but you really don't know how to go about it, or you're having doubt, or you've actually have clarification issues because you really don't understand how to do some certain things, this video tutorial will show you every corner from the start to the finish of web development when it comes to WordPress. I have no doubt that this course is the right one for you. That is the first and the significant step towards a better future with your new website. This course is for you if, one, you would like to create a website for your business, your brand, your services, your store, etc. Would like to save thousands of dollars, spending money giving web developer to actually develop it for you. You need to come and learn it so that you can do it yourself. If you're willing to learn new information, this training is for you. If you would like to stay updated with the newest designs and features, this training is for you. What you will learn from this course is setting up your domain name and hosting, master the WordPress platform, start your own blog, many ways to design your website, master the Elementor page builder, install themes, plugins, widgets, then create pages and also blog posts, design the header, the footer, the sidebars, create your logos from also popular platform with Canva, then also design your brand, the whole call to action buttons, so much more that you're going to be learning from this course. Students need to have a computer and the willingness to learn. No experience required. Complete beginners are welcome. Who is this course for? Anyone who would like to have a website, who want to build website for his business, for his services, gallery entrepreneur, anything that you are into and you really want to say, I want to have my website, I don't want to give any IT consultant to design it for me, I want to sit and enroll for this course from start to finish. I want you, Mr. Ados Michael, aka the online ambassador for Amados Training Portal, to take me on a ride, on a journey where at the end of the day, when I reach my destination, I can actually call myself an IT consultant. Well, this training is for you. So I want you to take advantage. We've brought down this fee. Usually this very particular course is 30,000 naira, but we brought it down because it's an extensive course. It took us close to a month plus to put this course together because we want to make sure as you pay to take part of this course, every aspect of web development when it comes to WordPress, we are covering it in this very particular training. We don't want to give you something and tell you enroll for another one again. No, with this course, there is no website that you cannot build. So we've slashed it down. If you take right now to enroll now, you're going to be paying just 5,000 naira to actually take this course, and it will change your life because you're not going to just only learn, but you become expert. So I will be expecting to see you on the other side of the course. Thank you. God bless you.